Honor 80 Pro is a new smartphone with stylish design and strong performance. Fast refresh rate, curved OLED display, flagship processor, new unique design, 160 megapixel triple camera setup, fast charging and many more. Hello everyone, my name is Maiky and I will be reviewing the Honor 80 Pro, a flagship phone today. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. The Honor 80 Pro has a new and attractive design, is lightweight up to 188 grams and thin up to 7.8 mm. The Honor 80 Pro comes in 4 colors, black, green, blue and pink. The blue color uses a new 3D precision engraving process. The 3D composite fine engraving technology by Honor 80 Pro is a method of creating detailed texture on a thin glass surface. Over 80 designs are engraved with the precision and accuracy, resulting in a realistic wave-like textures. The process involves the layering two different textures, one with a water wave pattern and the other with a blue-green lens texture to create a modern and visually appealing design that combines the beauty of the nature with technology. The rear camera design of the Honor 80 Pro has been improved with the addition of an infinity symbol on the top of the dual mirror design. This symbol suggested that the Honor 80 series of unlimited possibility to the user experience. The front camera of the Honor 80 Pro also features a dual lens design located in the center of the screen for the better focusing and framing of selfie. The screen of the Honor 80 Pro features a hyperboloid design and is made of the flexible OLED material. Measuring the 6.78 inch, it has a high refresh rate of 120Hz and the supports 10-bit color depth, resulting in a clear and vivid display with a fine detail. The resolution is a Full HD+. The flexible OLED screen of the Honor 80 Pro uses the 1920Hz high-frequency PWM dimming technology for the better eye protection. This technology has a high stop frequency and thin stop strip, reducing eye strain. The screen frame of Honor 80 Pro has also been improved with a reduction of about 15% in the width of the bottom chin and the 21.8% reduction in the side bezels compared to Honor 70 Pro. The Honor 80 Pro has a powerful rear camera module made up of a 160 megapixel ultra clear main camera with f1.8 aperture, a 50 megapixel AI ultra wide angle macro camera with a f2.0 aperture and 2 megapixel depth of field lens with a 2.4 aperture. The front camera module consists of a 50 megapixel AI portrait main camera with f2.4 aperture and 2 megapixel depth of field camera. The main camera of the Honor 80 Pro takes the high quality image, accurately capturing detail of the object in the scene. It also produces a good lighting and the shadow effects when taking photos in a natural light. The Honor 80 Pro has a powerful performance configuration using the first generation Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. This processor has been improved for the better energy efficiency, up to 20% increase in the reduction of CPU power consumption and 30% decrease reduction heat dissipation during the use. The phone also has an upgraded GPU TurboX technology and a VC 3-dimensional cooling system to enhance the gaming experience. The Honor 80 Pro has been tested with a heavy load of the mobile games. Genshin Impact at the high image quality setting, the average frame rate was measured 59.4 fps with a no significant frame drop and the average temperature of 41.9 degrees Celsius. The Honor 80 Pro was tested with the mobile game King of Glory at high definition image quality and the extremely high frame rate. In the beta test, the average frame rate was measured 120.9 frames, which is comparable to the other gaming phones. The Honor 80 Pro has a 4800 mAh battery and supports fast charging. In a test, it looks 15 minutes to charge the battery to 50% and 26 minutes to charge to 80%. In a 5-hour battery life test, it still had a 61% power left, which is good. The base price of the Honor 80 Pro in China is 3,499 yuan, which is around 425 pound in UK and 520 US dollars. The Honor 80 Pro is a great phone for its price range. It has a unique appearance, design and the good camera, gaming and the battery performance. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.